Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Load balancing in IP networks using generalized destination-based multipath routing. So this is your title. So this is your abstract. Now we implemented an approach is called the global destination-based multi-routing pattern to achieve the same great presentation in clear routing. The main role of this process we demonstrate that subjective explicit routing can be improved the loop-free destination-based routing without any presentation price for the given traffic matrix. We extend the semantic method including the curiosity algorithm to realize the GDMR. GDMR means global destination-based multipath routing, and then extensive the calculation prove that a value and strength of the GDMR. So this is flow diagram. You start with on the data sender. You start and then select the data and send it to the users, and then create a sensor node, find the distance, find node distance, and then find root node, and using the RTP colony algorithm, and then find the find best node, and then source node, root node, and sync node. Finally, data receiver the receiver. Now we discuss about demo the running procedure. So you first start with your home page, and then right click run file. So it will be running in the background side. So this is your home page content corresponding in IP network using global destination based multipath routing. So you just click on this label, so title, so it will be the data center the home page, and then select your image file. So now you are choosing that image file, so you are choosing that column. So this image now choosing, so this image is now sent to the receiver side. This is the you get the file full path, and then this one is the file name, this one is file size, and then this one is the IP address. Your corresponding system IP address you will get that here. So this is your images, and then send it. Now send process we have that images and split into encrypted format. The encrypted format, because encrypted format like this, the images split into 6, and then it will be go to the sync node. Sync node is merge, and then finally receive the receivers is getting full images. So now send to the create the sensor node, and then create sensor node, and then view nodes next, and then this is the distance calculation process, view details next, and then get this one is the get sync node, and then get source node. You just click and then get source node, and then get the sync node details, and then you must be click this up to 6, and then finally 6. So now you find out the nearest nodes, and then click next, and then minimum cost path, view path, best path nodes, and the number of objects will be entered here, and then view path. So this is the best path 1 2 3, and then 3 to 7 destination, and then 1 2 3, and then 3 to 7. So finally 6 to final the sync node is sync node, and then receive the receiver. So this is process the shortest path details, and then you start with 3 nodes. So you first start with source server, so this one is the source node, and then root node server. Root node server means root node. So this is your root node, and then you start with sync node. So this one is the sync node. So communication it will 3. So this one source node, this root node, and then finally sync node. So and then we first click on the get source node. Source node first one is starting 1, and then you just select the first one, and then get root node. Next root node is it will be 3. So send to these locations. So now you in secret key. The secret key is communication process in then anybody not access, then you are sending the process files. So now choosing an, you can put on any random inputs. So now choose to put on here 1 and then send, and then call that this frame, and the next near node 7, and then you put on here 1. So that can only you can receive that source node to root node receive. So acknowledgement, you just click on this for frame, root node accepted, and then you receive that root node. So it will be received then 0 frame. Receiving energy is, this is energy levels, and then root node center to sync node. So click that too, and then send, sync node receive, and then you enter here corresponding two values as similar values, and then receive that. The sync, just click the sync node get the acknowledgement accepted, and then so it will be calculated, and then this is receiving total and then sending energy levels, and then total energy levels is take that the root node, and then finally you click that this frame. So and then successfully collected data node of source node. So, and then you go to the this frame. So 2, get root node, another root node is 3, and put here 3, send, click, get next node, and then you put 30, receive, you just click this frame, root node accepted, and then calculate the energy level. Receiving energy level is sending the energy level, and then send, get, and then put that 4, receive, sync node, get the acknowledgement process, and then calculate the total energy level. The second process successfully collect the data source node. So source node is received at the sync node, and then like this same way up to 6. Put that 5, send, get, and then put that here 5, receive, just like this frame, root node accepted, send, and then click 6, sync node accepted, and then you put that 4, 7, send, get, and then get root node details, and then you put here 7, and then receive. So root node is accepted. Here calculate the energy levels, and then put that here 8, and then send, receive, 8, and then receive, sync node accepted, and this frame is also accepted, and then you choose that now 5, get root details, 9, send, get details, 7, 9, and then receive that, accepted the process. And now put here 2, send, and now put that here 2, and then receive, and then finally 6. So 6 that 0, and then final. I'm gonna put here 1, accept that, here 4, 4, receive. So accepted also. So now the final result is up to 6. So now go to the final merge. In the merge process, finally secret that here, and then click that next. So get IP, get file, and then get size, and then receive that your receiver side IP address, and then view images. So original image now get that here, and I click that next. Instant selection process, where the instant selection means find the path of roots. So that is the instant selection path. So shortest path, that means the instant selection.